Hello, namaste. How about we do some yoga for those of you that have been sitting at a desk or curled up on a sofa reading all weekend or curled up watching Netflix. We can hire somebody to do everything else for us, but we have to do yoga and meditation ourselves. So, how about we go ahead and do that? What happens when we spend a lot of time bent over a desk, extra bent over? We are making a V shape. Sitting is the new smoking, don't forget that. Or you're curled up in a ball, watching your favorite comedy movie or anxiety-inducing documentary, and you're in that position 30 minutes or hours or even all day. V-shape is not a good shape to have. That is a constant stretching of the lower back. We don't want that. Lots of problems can happen. So let's just do a few yoga poses to undo that. And my name is Deborah. My puppy's name is Shaman. We're going to come back to sitting down. I know you like sitting. I love it. But we have to begin standing. Coming to standing. May have been a while since you've been standing. Stand with a purpose. Mountain pose. Connecting all parts of your feet, all corners. Shoulders rolled back, open. Breathing deep. I stand strong. Trying to stand straight. If you've been curled up for a while, sitting at your desk hunched over, it may be hard to come to standing. You might be like this. You need to attempt to push your hips forward. Go ahead and reach your hands up overhead, bending backward, hips going forward, a back bend, reaching your arms back. You can have your palms touching, or you can have index fingers pointed. And now looking backwards. A few more breaths here. Undoing the hunching. And just go ahead and reach forward, bend forward. Gently step back and come onto your belly. Roll your hips side to side, feeling your mat or carpet under you. And come into a cobra. Smile at your pets if you have any. So you should feel a reverse of that sitting posture. Exhale down, and we're going to do 2 breaths upward dog. Don't go too deep if this is not a normal feeling for you. And press up. Take it gentle here if there's discomfort in your lower back and hips. Exhale down. Forehead to mat, shaking side to side. No, no, no. Saying no to whatever you've been wanting to say no to. No, 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 I will not move to Mars, Elon. There is no planet B. We must save this planet. No. Whatever it is you've been wanting to say no to. All right, we got to come standing again. any way you want. We're doing this however we want. Left foot forward. If you're doing your opposite side today, then that's fine. So in Tantra Yoga, we flow between two poses sometimes. We're going to do that. That doesn't mean the pose looks perfect. So you're in your warrior one. Your back leg is where you're going to be feeling it. Removing stuck energy, stretching it out, and strengthening. Reach your arms overhead. And then the next pose will be a low lunge, arms still up. Go even lower, go super deep on this one. Holding it here, using your power, your strength. Breathing. All right, so we're strengthening and stretching at the same time. Strengthening can help undo things. All right, so flowing between warrior one, low lunge. Like I said, it doesn't look perfect. Warrior one, low lunge, warrior one, low lunge, warrior one, low lunge. I am a strong warrior in control of my life, a peaceful warrior. All right, hold your low lunge. Maybe press your arms straight out, stretching out. I take up space in this world. Stretch out your back, shoulders. If you've been curled in a lot, you've got to open that area up. Take charge of your space. Make yourself big and relax. Standing straight, Tadasana for a moment. From Tadasana, step your other leg back. That will be my left leg, warrior one. Arms up. Few breaths here again, feeling the pose in our back leg. Tuning in. And then that low lunge, deep stretching and strengthening. And flowing between. So warrior one, low lunge, warrior one, low lunge, warrior one, low lunge. Now, your feet as wide apart as comfortable for you. If you should have a knee that's a little iffy today, then you can skip one side or change it out, you know. A few more. Hold your low lunge. And step into Tadasana. Wiggle it about. How's your body feeling? Okay. Sitting down. No transition. All right. Low back again. We want to unkink it. And our hip. So flat back. Press your hips straight up. Bridge pose. Press a little higher, strengthening, stretching, squeezing your PC muscle, bottom of your pelvic floor, and relax. Chest up, and then just drop your head. Mini fish. This is to open your throat. Cough if you need to. If you haven't been speaking a lot or voicing what you need to say, it might come out in this. And then come up. Next, we come to my favorite pose. This is going to undo a lot of sitting. You may need a prop if you cannot do shoulder stand without a prop, and that would be a large bolster, maybe the side of a sofa, Strong stomach muscles are what you need to do this. Kind of strong. Just do it. Don't think about it. But keep your neck safe. Move away any dangerous pet. Up. And toes to the sky. Chin away, so your chin is not touching your chest skin. So strong stomach muscles. You might not be straight like me, but it works. We're undoing it. We're getting the blood out of our legs, out of our stomach, down into our wonderful brains. Inhale, toes to stomach to throat. Exhale, throat to head. Inhale, down to throat. Exhale to head. Ideally, we would hold this at least 3 minutes to get minimum benefit. You can keep doing that or wait for later. For the sake of beginners, we are going to roll out of this. Just come seated. On second thought, maybe we can pay someone to do our yoga. That is what Thai yoga massage is, isn't it? But this was free. Free is great. Shake out your shoulders a little more. Go ahead and lie back into the final pose, Savasana, on your back, and let the practice soak in for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Go forth and do your Dharma for the world. Namaste.